with maximum profit per customer. So we know that Superstore has a lot of customers. Okay, and each customer has made multiple transactions. Now, if you look at the first customer, Aaron Bergman here, and if we look at the transactions made by this customer, these are the profits. But the maximum profit came from this particular transaction. And we need to find out what is the maximum profit per customer. At the same time, we should display the sales value corresponding to that particular transaction with maximum profit for each customer. So I'm going to create a report showing the names of the customers. And for each and every customer, I would like to know what is the maximum profit coming from that person at transaction level. We will be doing this by taking the help of an LOD expression. Maximum profit. So fixed at customer name level of detail, I am going to obtain what is the maximum profit. Tableau is going to check all the transactions made by each and every customer and pick up the maximum from the list of transactions, maximum profit. Now let us see what we obtained for each customer through this calculation. So you can see for Aaron Bergman, the first customer, it is 62. Now I need to get the sales corresponding to this value. Sales where for that transaction where the profit obtained was $62. For that, we need to build another calculated field to get the sales for max profit. So if the profit at that transaction level is equal to the maximum profit, means we are trying to identify the record with the maximum profit with this condition, then only we are interested in taking the sales end. Now, when I take this formula into the table, you can see the sales coming or sales made in that transaction, the sale value of that transaction. So let us just cross check with our data once. Let's look at the second customer, Aaron Hawkins. These are the transactions made by the person. And okay, let me just quickly mark all these transactions. We will check what is the maximum profit. So you can notice that the maximum profit here is 121.4. And the sales corresponding to that transaction is 247.84, right? Sales corresponding to that transaction. Now, that is exactly what we obtained here. 121 was the highest profit coming from this customer at transaction level. And the sales corresponding to that particular transaction is 248. So this is how we obtain the sales corresponding to the maximum profit per customer with the help of the LOD expression, of course. Thank you.